What if education's true purpose isn't to keep up with trends, but to focus on timeless truths? That's the idea behind perennialism, a philosophy that believes education should shape the mind through eternal knowledge, not temporary skills. Perennialism comes from the word perennial, meaning everlasting. This philosophy argues that certain ideas, values, and truths are constant, no matter how society changes. It's rooted in classical philosophy and focuses on developing rational thinking and moral character. Perennialism centers on the belief that education should cultivate reason, intellect, and the pursuit of truth. The goal is not to prepare students for specific jobs, but to help them think deeply, question logically, and understand universal principles that define human existence. The roots of perennialism trace back to Plato and Aristotle, who emphasized reason as the highest human faculty. In modern times, Robert Maynard Hutchins and Mortimer Adler are key figures. Hutchins argued that schools should focus on the great books of Western civilization, while Adler developed the Paideia program, promoting equal education through intellectual development. Perennialist teaching relies on the Socratic method, where teachers lead through questioning and dialogue, reading classic texts which present enduring ideas about ethics, politics, and knowledge, discussion-based learning, encouraging critical reflection over memorization. The teacher plays a central role as a guide to truth, not as a facilitator of opinions. The goals of perennialism are to train the intellect and develop rational thought, to nurture moral and ethical judgment, to connect students with humanity's greatest ideas and achievements, to prepare the mind for lifelong learning and philosophical understanding. Perennialism reminds us that while the world changes, wisdom endures. It challenges modern education to balance innovation with timeless knowledge. In short, it calls us to educate not for the moment, but for the mind. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.